In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do payroll myself and link the transactions to QuickBooks. We're going to record a manual payroll expense in QuickBooks Online and make sure it posts to the right place so it matches up cleanly with your bank activity. This approach is great if you process payroll outside of QuickBooks but still want your books accurate and up to date. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the expenses area from the left-hand menu. From here, you'll create or open an expense transaction. In the expense form, begin with the payee field. Select the employee or contractor you paid. If you've paid multiple people separately, you'll create a separate expense for each payment so each one can match to its own bank transaction later. Next, choose the payment account. Pick the account the money actually came from, like cash or your business checking. Accuracy here is key. This is what allows QuickBooks to find a match when your bank feed brings the transaction in. Now set the date to the day you made the payment. Using the actual payment date helps with payroll period reporting and makes bank matching smoother. In the category details section, choose the account called payroll expenses or your equivalent wages account. This tells your profit and loss where to report the cost of payroll. In the description box, add a clear memo such as payroll for pay period dates so future you and your accountant instantly understand what this entry represents. Enter the amount paid. If you're booking a single summary expense, use the total you sent to the person. Keep your naming and categories consistent each time. Consistency helps with reporting and month-end reviews. If you need to create a very similar payroll expense for another person or another identical run, use the copy option. Copying the transaction is a quick way to preserve the structure, account, and memo formatting. After copying, adjust the payee, date, and amount as needed before saving. This saves time and reduces entry errors. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Once saved, this expense will sit in your books, and when your bank feed imports the matching withdrawal, QuickBooks should suggest a match automatically because the date, amount, and account line up. Review and confirm that match in your banking area later to complete the link. That's it. You've manually recorded payroll, categorized it to payroll expenses, and set yourself up for clean matching to your bank feed, keeping your financials tidy and reliable.